Have you ever studied like all the science that's being done on the way plants communicate with each other through the soil and through fungus and mycelium?
No.
It's fascinating stuff.
Uh-huh.
They allocate resources to plants that need them more, to trees that need them more. They seem to have
Communal?
they seem to have some sort of a shared information network that we don't totally understand. See if you can find something on it. But it's, I think relatively recently understood and just basically understood over the last few decades. But people like Paul Stamets, who's a mycologist, has been studying this type of stuff, and it's really amazing. Like there's some sort of intelligence to it, the way it works.
Uh-huh.
As it say, underground networking, the amazing connections beneath your feet.
Well, maybe evolution went in the direction of interconnection because maybe the survival value was higher if you connected these
Scroll
things.
down, Jeremy, to right there. So this is what it's saying. When most of us think of fungus, we imagine mushrooms sprouting out of the ground. These mushrooms are, in fact, the fruit of the fungus, while the majority of the fungal organism lives in the soil, interwoven with the tree roots as a vast network of mycelium. Mycelium are incredibly tiny threads of the greater fungal organism that wraps around or bore into tree roots. Taken together, mycelium composes what's called a mycorrhizal network, which connects individual plants together to transfer water, nitrogen, carbon, and other minerals. German forester Peter Walleben dubbed this network the Wood Wide Web, as it is through the mycelium that trees communicate. This is really, really fascinating stuff, because they're all, like, we just think of soil as something that the tree pulls nutrients from, but no, it's all, they're communicating, they're connected with each other in the forest.
Well, realize that when you have a chemical process involving life, you are in some sense looking at a quantum computer. It's doing a quantum calculation.
Yeah.
It's taking nutrients from the soil, nutrients from the air, combining it to create cellulose or whatever it's made of. And so we're talking about something that we cannot duplicate without gigantic devices looking like a chandelier. Mother Nature can do it with a root.
Yeah, it can do it with everything. It seems to be in insects. It seems to there's like a code to it, which is why your idea about there being this God calculation is so fascinating.